Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some smoked pork bellies, also known as burnt ends. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know every time I put a video out, and drop a like. That being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. Here we have our pork belly. I got this pack of pork belly from Costco. About $24. If you're thinking, hey, looks just like bacon, well, that's because pretty much that's what it is. So we want to get these cut down into cubes. I'm probably doing about an inch and a quarter cubes. Tell you right now, this dish is really simple, really easy to make. So we get them all cut up, we're gonna get them into a bowl, and we're gonna make a binder just like we do with our ribs. Some mustard and some W sauce or Worcestershire. And we're gonna get in with our hands and get these coated real nice. So look just like that, just a nice light coat. Now we're going in with our rub. Of course, I like Texas Rib Grind by Chicken Fried Barbecue, and I also like Dirty Bird by Cosmo Q. You can use your favorite rub for this recipe. We're gonna go back in with our hands again and get everything nicely coated. And we're gonna let this set out for about 20 minutes before we put them on the grill. Let's get our grill started. I had a lot of people ask me about how this grill works. As you can see, I went in with some lump charcoal. I'm going in with some hickory chunks, and then we're gonna top it off with some more lump charcoal. I light my tumbleweed at the bottom here and get everything started. And excuse the finger, but we're setting the temperature for 275. The way this grill works, charcoal feeds down from here, down to where the fan is at. The fan regulates the temperature and blows the heat into the grill. This grill will get up to 700 degrees. It's also Wi-Fi compatible, so you don't have to stay outside and monitor it. We're gonna let these cook for about 2 hours. And let's get some barbecue sauce made. This is my favorite way of making barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's with its little hickory and brown sugar. We're using some peach jalapeno glaze and some sweet chili sauce. I had these sitting in some hot water so it'd be a lot easier to strain the chunks out. And this is our barbecue sauce. Let's get our pork bellies off the grill. That's what we're looking like after 2 hours. Nice and tender. We're gonna get these in a pan, and we're gonna get our barbecue sauce on and get everything coated with our barbecue sauce. We're going back on the grill for another hour at 350 degrees. And this is what we're looking like. If you like yours a little more burnt, just keep them on the grill a little longer. But this is 1 hour and at 350 degrees. Let's get everything plated up here. Pour a little extra barbecue sauce on the top. And is your mouth watering or what? If it's not, it should be. Smells amazing. Really easy to do. Let's get ready to go in for a taste test. Yep, that's on the money right there. Give this recipe a try, drop me a like, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching.